Hey guys, it's Nick from F450LEDs.com. Today we're enjoying some beautiful weather outside, so we've got our 2023 Super Duty trimmer outside the studio, and we're showing you how easy it is to install some accessory accent lighting here in the grill using our Gen 2 Raptor light kit on this 23 Super Duty. The installation is extremely easy. These lights give a great aggressive look. They look awesome during the day and at night. Plus, they're gonna make your truck stand out and be more noticeable, and that makes you and your family safer. So it's a great install, easy to do. We're gonna show you how it's done right now. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is open our hood. There's, obviously you wanna unlock it inside the cab, and then there's a release switch here in the middle. And that'll give us access to the engine bay. And the next thing that we're gonna wanna do is remove this plastic valence cover. So there's gonna be a multitude of retainer clips that hold this valence in place. For sake of time, we went ahead and removed them for the video, but they're very easy to remove. You can use a flathead screwdriver, or if you've got our easy installation toolkit, makes it even easier and faster. So since we've already got our clips out, we'll be able to just pull this valence right away from the truck. Just like so. We're gonna set that to the side. Okay, so that is gonna give us accessibility here behind the grill, so that we can run our wires and mount our lights. So with this particular grill, you've got a 3 light kit or a 5 light kit option. So if you go 5 light, you could fill each of these grill openings with the light. We're gonna do 3 today. So you could go 1, 2, 3, but we're gonna space it. We're gonna have a center light and then 2 center light and then 2 flanking lights here. So we're gonna use our 3 light kit. And what we're gonna do, first thing first, now that we know where our light's gonna be, we're gonna use the included cleaning surface promotion adhesion wipes on all of our mounting locations. You want these to be very clean and also dry before you mount any lights. So while that dries, we're gonna go ahead and route our wiring. So we know a light is coming here, so just go ahead and run your IP68 waterproof connector through the opening. Then we can repeat the same process for our other 2 lights. Before connecting to power, let's go ahead and mount our lights. So we're going to be using this auto grade adhesive backing. So once we remove this red covering, it's going to be extremely, well, sticky. We're going to want to mount it right in the center, this opening right where we had our clean surface, now that it's dried. And you're just going to apply firm pressure upward. And we'll repeat that process for each light. Now we can take any extra slack out of our lines here and then connect them to our harness. Make sure that it goes in all the way till you hear that click. That way you know you're gonna have that waterproof seal. Just like so. Okay, what we're gonna do next is attach our easy T-tap wire connectors. You can also use red clip connectors. But we're just going to slide this open end here directly into the open channel of the T-clamp. And then we're going to push down on it with some pliers or wrench, just like so. And that's going to connect it to the end of our Raptor light harness. And then we're going to take this other T-tap and do the same for our black ground wire there. Just like so, you'll hear it click. Now we're ready to connect to ground and power using these easy T-taps to the truck's harness. We're gonna be utilizing the side marker lights. So you're gonna reach down under, and it's hard to show that on camera. We'll try and put a picture of the connector for you on the video. But with a counterclockwise turn, this connector will come right out of your headlight assembly there, exposing 2 wires that we're gonna use to connect these 2 T-taps to. I'm gonna try my best to stay out of the way for the video, because it's a tight spot here. But you're gonna wanna attach your black wire here to the black wire from your connector. You can see that on the video. You just put it right in your T-channel. If you're using red clips, it works very similarly. And then you just crimp down on that until you hear it click, like that. Now you got a firm connection, and then you're gonna take your power side and connect it to the other wire. Just like that. And then you'll take your pliers, push down, and you'll feel it click. And that's it, connecting for power. And then let's replace our light back into the headlight assembly. And now we'll be able to use our zip ties to clean up any loose wires. Now that our lights are installed and all of our wiring is zip tied and out of the way, we can reinstall this valence cover here in the engine bay. And once we get it in place, we'll be able to put back all those retainer clips, and we'll be done. Okay guys, that's all there is to installing our Gen 2 Raptor LED Grill Light Kit on your 2023 and up Ford Super Duty truck. They're gonna look fantastic on your truck at night. We guarantee you're gonna love them. Plus, they're gonna make you and your family more noticeable at night, and that makes you safer. So we highly recommend the upgrade. You can check it out right now at F450LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom-built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford Super Duty truck. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you there. Thanks guys.